tranqui, yo perreo sola.
Introducing Wreckommendation Engine, a music discovery experience built for Meta's first ever Presence Platform Hackathon. Put on a VR headset and spin virtual vinyl records. If you like a song, you can save it to a playlist. If you hate it, you can smash it into 1,000 pieces. Using capabilities of Meta's Presence Platform like spatial anchors and hand tracking, you can discover music in a totally new way.
I came in like a wrecking ball.
The Spotify API delivers songs and keeps track of your preferences. But if you smash too many songs, they might come back and try to kill you. After you've defeated the final boss, you can get your playlist and share it with friends. We made discovering new music as fun as possible in this record-breaking experience, Wreckommendation Engine.